In this video, I'll be showing you how to put a YouTube video on repeat. Very simple and easy. So what you need to do is just open YouTube, just tap on every video you just want to watch. Good. So you tap on the video once again and you see the settings button there on your screen. That's the top right. Tap on that. Good. This should pop up here and you tap on more here and you can see loop the video. You turn that on. Good. Come here again and you can see the loop has been turned on. So this video is going to replay itself just like that. Replay itself. So if you want to be replaying like a number of videos, like 5 to 6 to 7 videos, what you're going to do is you rather create a playlist and start playing it. So you just tap on something like this here. So this is not a video of mine, so let me come here, let me use another person's video. So I tap on this here and you see save to playlist. Good. You can see I have all these playlists here and I tap on save. So what I'm going to do is I come to this section, which is my account, and then I move to my playlist I've created. Good. And then I tap on any of the playlists. The videos are going to loop. It's going to play only the videos in that playlist, something like that. So that's it on how you repeat a single video and multiple videos on YouTube. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.